Heading west where the cold tides roll. Got diesel dreams and a wandering soul. My mate's in his camper car down the lane. We're chasing thornback rays again. Lines in the dark, sea spray in the air. Well, hunting hums tunes through the kelp out there. The rods all bend like they're pulling ghosts, while I whisper to the cosmic coast. 'Cause we're fishing for dogfish, wishing on stars. Camper lights glowing like old guitars. From the Irish Sea to where the wild wind blows, we're catching rays and UFOs. Coffee, boots full of sand. The night sky's bigger than I can stand. I swear I saw something flash and fade. Might have been Mars or a Martian rain. Waves keep drumming that midnight hymn. We're small specks floating on the cosmic rim. If they're watching from a ship up high, hope they like two fools under the sky. We're fishing for dogfish, wishing on stars. Tails grow taller with the pints in jars. From the Cornish edge to the Galloway coast, we're catching rays in UFOs. Maybe someday there'll be muscle board, trade sea tales with a cosmic lord. But till that night comes glowing close, we'll keep casting lines and telling jokes. Fishing for dogfish, wishing on stars. Steel birds over paper towns, money men just write it down. They trade our lives for dollar signs. We march in line to their designs. Screens glow red with borrowed rage, while kings play chess on a global stage. They sip champagne, we duck and pray. They call it peace, we call it decay. And the sheep will bleed, but the shepherds feed on oil and fear, on power and greed. Raise your voice, don't bend your knee. War machine ain't fighting for me. Gold line bunkers, private jets, they bet on death like it's roulette. News feeds spin the same old tune. Truth's a ghost beneath the moon. We're buying flags to hide the scars, while they sell dreams and build new cars. We light the fuse, they count the gain. A world on fire for someone's name. And the sheep will bleed, but the shepherds feed on oil and fear, on power and greed. Raise your voice, don't bend your knee. The war machine ain't fighting for me. Private jets, they bet on death like it's roulette. News feeds spin the same old tune. Truth's the ghost beneath the moon. We're buying flags to hide the scars, while they sell dreams and build new cars. We light the fuse that count the gain, a world on fire for someone's name. And the sheep will bleed, but the shepherds feed on oil and fear, on power and greed. Raise your voice, don't bend your knee. The war machine ain't fighting for me. Turn their towers into stone, tear down the lies we've always known. But silence is their sweetest friend. It keeps the wheels turning till the end. And the sheep will bleed, but the shepherds feed on oil, on fear, on power and greed. One day soon the blind will see, we're the many, they're the few, and the war machine ain't free.
Yeah. I rolled through the storm, I found my spark. Broke my back, but it lit up the dark. Wheels on the ground, but my dreams take flight. On cycles spinning through the day and night. I'm the wheeled adventurer, rolling on strong. Kayak in the river, hear my freedom song. Campfires glow under wide open skies. Life's an adventure, I see it with new eyes. From the trails to the waves, I'm breaking the mold. Every push of the wheels is a story I told. I'm stuck in the past, I'm chasing horizons. Mountains and rivers, my spirit keeps rising. Traveling far, got maps in my soul. Turning every setback into part of the goal. Adventure's my compass, courage my guide. Rolling through the world with the wind on my side. I'm the wheel adventurer, rolling on strong. Kayak in the river, hear my freedom song. Campfires glow under wide open skies. Life's an adventure, I see it with new eyes. From the trails to the waves, I'm breaking the mold. Every push of the wheel is a story I told. Now stuck in the past, I'm chasing horizons. Mountains and rivers, my spirit keeps rising. Traveling far, got maps in my soul. Turning every setback into part of the goal. Adventure's my compass, courage my guide. Rolling through the world with the wind on my side. I'm the wheel adventurer, rolling on strong. Kayak in the river, hear my freedom song. Campfires glow under wide open skies. Life's an adventure, I see it with new eyes.